See, yesterday my plan was to post a video description about this. There are two sets here. There's one and two. I did not have the time to even make the video, but I'm gonna post the video. So, anyways, these are for parts are not working. A lot of these have a heavy battery corrosion, but the good thing is the front part is the ones that are mostly of these are working. The only problem is the back. You need to replace the battery terminals. This one actually good, but they include the motors. Motors are good too. Some of these need to be repainted, but so far so good. I mean, you can make a lot of money. I mean, somebody bought it already. So, anyways, my plan was to make the video before to post it. I have more, so I will make another short video. And because I have hundreds of Thomas models, everything, buildings and everything, I am posting online for sale, very accessible, so I could, because I have a lot of sponsors coming, a lot of products sent by companies, so I need to get rid of everything related to Thomas that I don't use, but I'm still gonna be posting more videos of Thomas.